Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today you guys, I'm doing something totally new for my channel. I'm actually going to be doing a mini grocery haul. So we're going to be hanging out today in my kitchen. I'm actually went straight from the gym because I'm trying to get my life together. So I went straight from the gym to the grocery store. So I just kind of want to set myself up for success because my schedule can get like really out of control. And whenever I don't have like meals, you know, just readily available, it's just kind of easy to go get fast food. And I'm just trying to get more of a routine as far as, you know, a healthier lifestyle. So I want to stop eating out as much. I want to work out more. So I did pick some healthy options. I'm trying to eat more so balanced. Like I don't want to diet or anything like that. Also, you guys, shopping for one can be a little difficult. Like I feel like I waste a lot of food, to be honest, and I'm trying to work on that because I feel really bad every time I have to throw out unused food because I just didn't get to it in time. Because when it's just me eating, it's like, okay, how quickly can I eat like a loaf of bread or, you know, just different like perishable stuff I am guilty of wasting. But anyways, let me show you guys what I got. So alright, so this is everything that I got. So this is, I guess I would consider this a grocery haul. I mean, I'm hoping this is gonna last me at least like, I'm hoping like at least 2 weeks. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with the frozen stuff because obviously I've been talking, so I don't want it to melt. So let me go ahead and start with that. Okay, so this is some of the frozen stuff that I got. So I don't know if you guys are like this, but I feel like I always have to have like something that's like quick that I can cook at home and prepare, and especially if you're craving like some fast food but you don't want to go to the drive-thru. So I got these are the golden rounds. So these remind me of Chick-fil-A, so that's why I got them. So this is going to be for breakfast, so I got this to go with my breakfast. And you guys, this is my first time doing this, so I hope you guys find this video enjoyable, but I may be a little bit all over the place because I mean stuff is just bagged up. So I'm gonna try to paint the picture of the meals that I'm gonna make. So yeah, that's a part of breakfast. This Oscar Myers, this is just turkey breast from their Deli Fresh. So I got this, and I'm actually gonna be making spinach wraps. So I got some turkey. And then I also got just this classic romaine dole salad. And you guys, this is probably like one of the #1 things that I waste is salad. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually cut up all my ingredients and make a big bowl of salad. So that way it's just super easy for me to portion out and eat. So I'm not gonna waste this bag. And then whenever I go grocery shopping, I just like to stock up on vegetables. I always buy frozen vegetables. They're just super easy to steam, throw in the microwave. They normally take like 5 to 6 minutes. You're good to go. So this is some crinkle cut carrots. Sometimes I'm particular about brands, but I'm not really a brand snob, so I kind of just get whatever. But these are really good. You really don't need to add butter, so you can just eat them by themselves. You don't have to put like salt and pepper or anything like that. So carrots are very healthy for you. So this was one of the vegetables that I got. Then this is some of the other frozen stuff that I got. So I did get some sweet potato fries. I don't know if you guys like sweet potato fries, but they are so delicious to me. So I got this. This is more so for like a lunch item. It's got like a bag of these. This is a different brand. This is, what's this? This is Bird's Eye. So I buy these a lot too. Super easy, you guys. If you're not like used to eating vegetables, pick up these steamables. They're super easy. Most of these I really don't put butter on. They just have a good taste by themselves. You know, gotta get your vegetables. That's definitely part of a healthy, balanced diet. I got like 5 bags of the mixed vegetables because, you know, it's just easier to stock up. Okay, and then I just got some large eggs. I got a dozen. I used to waste eggs a lot. They used to expire before I could finish a whole carton, but I've been doing omelets, so I've really been enjoying that. So I'm gonna pair that with the tater rounds. So got these eggs. And then in my omelet, I like to do mozzarella cheese. So I just got some shredded cheese. This is just the Kroger brand. Honestly, sometimes I can't tell the difference between the brands. So sometimes I'll pick up Kraft. Sometimes I'll just pick up the Kroger kind or whichever store I'm in, Publix brand. So yeah, I like to put this in my omelet. And then I got some bacon. So I was on the fence as far as getting regular pork bacon or turkey bacon, because I've heard different things. Like I've heard that turkey bacon, it may be like lower in fat, but it may have more like sodium in it. But I just figured I would get the turkey bacon. So I picked up, this is actually maple, so I think this is gonna be really good. This is an uncured turkey bacon, and this is by Simple Truth, so it's supposed to be more of like a natural brand. So, and I'll normally just do like, you know, bacon on the side, or I'll cook it, and then I'll put it inside of my omelet. I really like that too. Now I already have waffles, so the kind of waffles, just in case you guys care. Well, actually this is French toast. So this is the thick and fluffy cinnamon brown French toast. I actually already had this. And then I already had this in my freezer too that I'm gonna use for breakfast. These are strawberry Eggos. Like I said, I'm working on balance. These aren't like super healthy, but I wouldn't be eating, you know, like French toast every day. Something else that I like to do for breakfast is smoothies. To be honest, a lot of times when I wake up like super early in the morning, I'm not like hungry. So smoothies are a great option, because I feel like you should always start your day off with something in your system, because you of course need to fuel your day. You need some energy. So I did pick up this Dole pineapple chunks. I just love pineapples. These are super sweet, so I do love getting Dole. I also get like frozen fruit from Aldi as well. I really like their frozen fruit. So I did pick up these pineapples, but I had a couple other bags of frozen fruit that I'll show you guys already. So I also have this berry medley. This is from Aldi. I love Aldi, by the way. So this has mixed berries. Berries are really good for you, and these are like no sugar added. So you just want to get, you know, some frozen fruit, nothing added to it. So this has strawberries, blackberries, blueberries, and raspberries. So I love to put this in my smoothies. I also have the tropical blend. This is really yummy as well. But this has mango, pineapple, papaya, and strawberry. So this is like super good, you guys. And then this one is actually really similar. This is just another mixed fruit one. There's just like a slight difference in this one. This has strawberries, peaches, pineapples, and mangoes. So that's another mixed fruit. So yeah, I'll do frozen fruit. Yeah, this is Dannon Light and Fit. I like vanilla. That's the flavor that I get. I just feel like it goes with everything. So yeah, I'll just kind of portion it out for each pack. So yeah, this is something else that I add to my smoothies. Something that I did not get that I like putting in my smoothies is fresh spinach, but I do actually have a bag of frozen spinach, and I've been kind of staying away from fresh spinach because I can never eat it quick enough. Like, it always normally goes bad, and the smoothie is not complete without bananas. If I add anything else, it's normally like sometimes I'll put almond milk in it, but recently, you guys, I've actually just been doing water. I actually like it a little bit better than almond milk, because when I was doing the milk, I was doing yogurt too, I was doing the banana, so it's just extra, like, I mean, it's still good, but it's just more on the thicker side. For me, with the water, it almost feels like a nice like chiller. It's more like refreshing to me. And then a couple more veggies. Like, I should be good on veggies for a minute. And I actually had some in my freezer that I forgot about. But I also got these French style green beans. So I picked up a couple bags of these. So these are good with like some brown rice or maybe a salad and some salmon. So pick these up too. So I know I showed you guys earlier the turkey breast. So I'm actually going to be doing spinach wraps. So this is something that I've actually been enjoying. I haven't made them in a while, but you just buy the spinach tortillas. So this is the kind that I got. So these are so good, you guys. I don't know if you've had a spinach wrap before, but these are really good. So this is actually what I got to go with the turkey breast. And you guys, this is like, what's today? Today is like the 28th of August. These are good until September 25th. So another great thing about this, you guys, I can never finish a loaf of bread. Like a loaf of bread by myself, it like expires before I can even get halfway through it. And then this is also a healthier option, so it lasts longer and it's healthier. I also got some different things to add to it. So I picked up a red onion. I just love red onions. I love them like on my burgers, my sandwiches, if I'm making like a tuna sandwich. They just have a really good flavor. I also got some tomatoes, so I did pick that up, and I just got like tomatoes on the vine. I'm not super particular about the kind of tomatoes that I get. I also picked up some pickles to add to my spinach wrap, and these are just the bread and butter chips. So my favorite type of cheese is pepper jack, so I did pick up a pack of pepper jack, and this is just a Kroger brand. Another produce item that I got is a cucumber, so I'm gonna chop this baby up and I'm gonna put it in my salad, the one that I already showed you guys. So pick that up. Got a few more breakfast items. So you guys, I'm trying to be healthy, so I really want to pick up Fruit Loops, or I wanted to get Cocoa Puffs, but I was like, no, I'm gonna be healthy. So I just got some regular Cheerios, you guys. This has literally 1 gram of sugar in it, so these are like super healthy. I think I'm just probably gonna add like some fresh berries to it, or bananas, you know, something just to give it flavor, because I actually haven't had plain Cheerios in a while, but I do remember them being pretty bland. But yeah, so these are of course heart healthy. They help lower your cholesterol. You guys know the deal with Cheerios, so I did get that for breakfast. I like having oatmeal. My favorite kind is the apples and cinnamon. Just got the Quaker brand. Got some mandarins, which you know are really good. They're like super easy just to take with you. A lot of times I'll just put like a couple in my purse when I'm going to work, and if I want like a quick snack, these are really bomb. Just a boring item. Milk. I do 1% milk. I used to drink like 2% milk like years ago, but I normally either get like 1% or I'll get almond milk. So, and then I did get a few like health bars for on the go as well. If you guys have not tried Kind bars, you guys, these are like bomb. I got the cranberry almond. This has antioxidants in it. A couple other health bars. These are actually the first time that I'm gonna be trying these. And this is from the Zone. So these are one of the Zone bars that I got. This one is the Zone Perfect Nutrition Bar, and this is the Double Dark Chocolate. So I hope these are healthy. I mean, I got them out the health section, so I picked up this. This is the Double Dark Chocolate, and then I also got this one, which looks like really bomb. This one is the Salted Caramel Brownie. This one has 11 grams of protein, so it does have a good amount of protein, and this one has 12 grams of proteins. And then for the spinach wraps, I just got some spicy mustard. I did get some drinks as well. I always keep cranberry juice in my house. So I normally just get this big one because I do drink cranberry juice pretty much like every day. This is the 100% no sugar added. So if you guys are getting cranberry juice and you're getting the cranberry juice cocktail, that's just like straight sugar. So cranberry juice is very good for your body, but make sure you're getting the one with no sugar added, because you know that's gonna have the best health benefits in it. If you guys have not tried these sparkling waters are so bomb. This literally has 0 calories, 0 sugar. This flavor is the peach nectarine, and you guys, this is so good. So if you're like a soda drinker, this is a great alternative, because soda we know has like so much sugar in it. And I also picked up this one, which is also bomb. This one is the strawberry watermelon. So you guys, these are good. I always try to keep brown rice on deck in my house. I also got this Uncle Ben's rice. This is the brown and wild rice. So this is a healthier rice as well. This is just easy when you ain't got time to be boiling water and waited 10 minutes for the brown rice. So that's ready in 90 seconds. I also like to keep sweet potatoes in the oven, you guys. They taste so bomb. Like I cook mine until they're like super soft. They're so good. So yeah, I just picked up a pack. They just already have them packaged for you. It's super easy. You don't have to pick, you know, the good ones. They have the good ones in here all ready to go. Last but not least, I'm trying not to like snack like too much on like chips and stuff. I don't know know if it's just me, you guys. Chips literally last like 24 hours in my house. It's just like, I don't know. It's like once a bag of chips is open, it's like done. But yeah, so I guess this is like a guilty snack, but I love cheese puffs, so I did get that. All right, you guys, so thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this super random grocery haul for one. These are just some of, you know, my go-to items when I'm going grocery shopping. Also, you guys, have a list when you go grocery shopping. It just makes life so much easier, even though I still spend like an hour in the store, but having a list is important. And then just, you know, eat balanced. Everybody has different goals that they're trying to reach, but for me, I just want to eat so that I'm eating healthier options, so that I'm eating food that is going to give me energy, not make me feel like groggy and like tired. So I think I got some great options. But yeah, you guys, definitely comment below if you have any like meal prep suggestions for me, or any like, you know, healthy snack items, anything that you guys can suggest. Definitely comment below. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this super random video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.